ma utwarithia wa ngari niwe Patel, Karan na uria uri na mwihoko wa kuhotana thiini wa mbitika cia mahenya ma ngari na iria igakorwo igitafanio thiini wa bururi wa Rwanda kwanjiriria tariki 22 guthie tariki 24 mweriini uyu mutwarithia uyu arakorirwo kana arugamirirwo ni bengi ya KCB na riu arugamirire namba 3 thiini wa gitaru kia Africa.
Not overconfident, but quite positive we will be able to win the remaining rounds of the championship. Yeah, Rwanda it'll be our third time. We raced there for the last 2 years. This will be the third year. Quite confident in terms of knowing the roads. We'll be using the same stages, so everything is quite familiar and fresh in the mind. And it's a nice rally to participate in, so we're looking forward to it. The African drivers who are able to participate in the championship do so, and it's a means of then proving who is the best on the continent in the rallying scene. So we didn't win the last year's ARC due to because we didn't participate in Ivory Coast due to budget constraints. We chose not to. Otherwise, we won the remaining rounds of the championship rallies. So we have secured in terms of wins more than anyone else in the last 2 years, and hopefully we'll continue winning this year, and maybe this year we'll be able to secure the championship in terms of points.